Ceramic coatings protect car paint from UV rays, dirt, scratches, and water while maintaining long-lasting shine and easier cleaning. My today's video is about top 5 best ceramic coating that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Cerakote ceramic coating. This advanced paint sealant delivers an industry-leading 50 wash durability rating, making it a standout choice for long-term vehicle protection. Engineered with enhanced longevity, it forms a resilient barrier that helps preserve your car's finish through repeated washes and harsh environmental exposure. The product produces exceptional gloss and shine, giving surfaces a deep, mirror-like reflection that rivals professional detailing results. Application is remarkably simple. Just wash and dry the vehicle, spray a light coat onto each panel, and gently buff to reveal a brilliant finish, making it highly user-friendly even for beginners. Its advanced ceramic technology provides strong hydrophobic performance, actively repelling water, mud, road grime, and dirt to keep the car cleaner for longer periods. Additionally, the coating offers an ultra-slick surface feel that enhances both aesthetics and surface protection, delivering a premium detailing experience with minimal effort and maximum visual impact. Now our second product is Wyruixin ceramic coating. This professional 12H graphene ceramic coating offers an upgraded level of paint protection compared to standard 10H coatings, delivering enhanced durability and a stronger defensive barrier for vehicle surfaces. Once applied, it forms a nanocrystal-based protective layer reinforced with hydrophobic fluorine polymers, shielding the car from harsh environmental damage such as salt fog corrosion, UV rays, burr droppings, iron filings, crushed stones, and light scratches. Its ultra-hydrophobic surface ensures outstanding water beading, allowing water and contaminants to slide off effortlessly while maintaining a deep, glossy, wax-like finish that restores showroom shine. The 12H hardness adds an extra layer of anti-scratch resistance, acting as a sacrificial shield over the paint. Easy-to-follow application steps make it user-friendly, requiring proper cleaning, application with an applicator cloth, brief curing time, and careful polishing. With included accessories and clear instructions, it provides a complete DIY detailing solution for long-lasting, high-gloss protection. Our third product is Adams Polish's ceramic coating. This next-generation UV graphene ceramic coating delivers advanced long-term protection for virtually the entire vehicle, forming a clear nanocrystalline layer that shields paint, glass, wheels, trim, and more from UV rays, chemicals, weather damage, and bonded contaminants. With a claimed 10H hardness and protection lasting over 7 years, it is engineered for extreme durability even in harsh conditions. Its standout UV tracing technology helps ensure precise, even application by visibly highlighting coated areas, reducing missed spots, and improving overall finish quality. Enriched with additional resin content, it enhances gloss, depth of color, and surface clarity while boosting scratch and stain resistance for a refined, professional-grade result. The ultra-hydrophobic formula creates strong water beading and slickness, allowing dirt and water to slide off easily, simplifying maintenance and reducing swirl marks during washing. Versatile and safe for multiple surfaces, it offers a premium, all-in-one protective coating solution backed by strong performance claims and user-focused design. Now number 4, Griot's Garage ceramic coating. This USA-made ceramic spray wax delivers a convenient yet effective layer of CO2, infused protection designed to shield vehicles from oxidation, UV sun damage, and everyday dirt buildup. Once applied, it forms a durable hydrophobic barrier that enhances surface smoothness while producing a deep, high-gloss finish that lasts for months. The spray-on, wipe-off application makes it exceptionally user-friendly, allowing quick detailing results in just minutes without the need for professional tools or complex steps. Its hybrid ceramic formulation not only boosts shine, but also actively resists dirt adhesion, helping maintain a cleaner surface for longer periods. The strong water-repellent properties cause rain and water to bead and slide off effortlessly, supporting a self-cleaning effect that reduces maintenance effort. Safe for multiple exterior surfaces, this versatile wax enhances paint protection while improving visual clarity and slickness, making it a practical choice for both enthusiasts and everyday car owners seeking fast, lasting ceramic-style protection. And our last choice is Miguiar's ceramic coating. This advanced ceramic coating delivers professional-inspired, ultra-durable protection while remaining surprisingly easy to apply, making it ideal for both enthusiasts and everyday users. Engineered to enhance gloss and slickness, it creates a strong protective layer that improves overall paint appearance while helping guard against environmental wear. The simple spray, spread, and wipe-off process eliminates the complexity of traditional ceramic coatings, with included microfiber towels ensuring a smooth, streak-free finish. Its standout hydrophobic performance produces intense water beading, allowing water and contaminants to slide off easily, which simplifies washing and drying while keeping the surface cleaner for longer. In addition to protection, the formula helps conceal light paint imperfections, improving visual smoothness and shine without requiring perfect surface prep. Versatile in use, it is safe for multiple exterior surfaces beyond paint, offering a practical, high-gloss protective solution that combines convenience, durability, and enhanced aesthetic results in one easy-to-use ceramic coating system. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.